Hello everybody, welcome to learncablefx. This is a pre-market analysis. So first things first, start from the monthly time frame. We look at market structure. So we can see there was a high, a low, break of structure to the upside. Then we had this low that was swept. Then a failed swing over here. Okay, there was a failed swing over here. So this failed swing made the market sell all the way to, after the market failed swing to close above this level, it sold all the way to this support level. Okay, so this support level did hold, and maybe the market made. So after the market tapped this support level, you can see it's still buying. Maybe it can buy till to this high. I don't know. Okay, so let's move down to the weekly time frame to see what's happening. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that there's this higher high, higher low, higher high, break of structure of this structure over here. Then we had a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and the market broke structure, which shows we are currently in a bullish trend on the weekly time frame. And one of my point of interest that I highlighted in the previous video was opening levels of the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame. So we can see this a rejection, some sort of rejection on this level, and price reacted, and you can see it bought last week bought. So the coming week it may take out this high, or it will be my other point of interest. Okay, so let's move to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can see we had this structure, internal structure. The high, the low, high, and the low broke structure. So I'll be looking at this high, how price will react. Maybe it might sweep this high and sell, or retest this support level, this resistance turn to support. Okay, so let me mark out. Yeah, so for the coming week, I want maybe price might sweep this level, retest this level, then continue buying to the upside. Okay, another thing I want to see is maybe it might just sell from this to this level, then just buy. Okay, yeah, or you might see a sweep, then after the sweep of this high, price might decide to move lower to this low. Okay, yeah, so that's my overview of my pre-analysis. Yeah, I'll update you on Wednesday for midweek market analysis. So maybe let me see what's happening on the 4 hour. The 4 hour, yeah, it's an uptrend. It is an uptrend. You can see price is just creating highs. Yeah. Let me look at the 1 hour. So the 1 hour, you can see the structure, higher high, higher low. This structure over here. Over here, price started trending upwards from here. High, low, high, low, and a high. So maybe price might just come, sweep this low, retest this level, and continue upwards. Yeah, but we'll see what will happen when the market opens. So the daily time frame, this is what I'll be looking out for. Yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss on the market updates and analysis that I'll be doing. Okay, you have a great trading week.